Hey Todd, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is John Kirkpatrick with To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson, Texas. I know what you might be asking yourself, why am I doing this? What am I doing? Who am I? Well, I do SEO and website design, and I've found that just by giving people a free attack plan, just kind of understanding what it takes to rank on Google, a lot of people will come back at the end and say, hey, thank you for giving me these tips and tricks, but I'm too busy taking care of my customers. Will you do this for me? So I am fine either way. If you want to take this information, run with it, and start beating your competitors, that's awesome. Glad I could have helped. If you're not interested, no harm, no foul. But if you get to the end and you want to know more, please just reach out to me. Even if you have questions about how to do it yourself, I'm going to talk to you on the phone, help you any way I can. So, 3 quick things I want to talk about today is content, citation, and backlinks. This is your homepage here, all about plumbing. Looks like you have a Google site, which is, just a .business site. And it's not a bad looking site, but Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And the reason for that is they like to give their customers an authoritative site with a lot of information. And that content also allows you to work in keywords. So a lot of what I do is keyword research. So, plumbers, North Richland Hills gets searched 80 times, and plumbing service, North Richland Hills, Texas might get searched 50 times. So we add all that up, and all of that is different search result terms. Google looks at it differently. So you want to have headings. You want to have, say we do slab repair. Looks like that's what you like to servicing. So you're going to have a heading that says slab repair North Richland Hills, Texas, and then you're going to talk about slab repair and then work that in again organically underneath that heading. That's going to really help you get found when people are searching for those different terms. So that's content. If you look at your competitor, North Hills Plumbing, their website is not much longer than yours, but it does have a little bit more information, which just tells you that it's going to be pretty easy to beat them. It's going to be pretty easy to take that first spot. You definitely just want to have more content though. Like they've got plumbing repairs, leak detection, remodels. So anything that you do, you're going to want to have a heading about it, and that heading needs to be a keyword that people are searching for, and then just work those keywords in organically, and that's going to help you rank. Second thing I wanted to talk about was citations. So if I just typed in plumber North Richland Hills here, and if you scroll down, this is called the Google Map Pack or the Google My Business section. To get listed here, you're going to need to have a good amount of citations. Now, a citation is just your name, so North Hills Plumbing, your address, and it doesn't even look like they have their address listed here, but whatever they have their address listed in here is sometimes hidden. But your name, address, and phone number listed different places throughout the web. Different directories, Yellow Pages, Yelp, those are the big ones, but there are hundreds of different directories, and the more directories you can get listed in, the more likely you're going to be ranking up here. So you can see North Hills Plumbing is beating out Schrader Plumbing, even though they have 740 reviews and North Hill only has 52. That's because I can guarantee you they have more citations than this other company, and also, if you look down here in the organic results, they're in the number 2 spot. Angie's List pulls up first, and then they pull up first. So this is driving a bunch of traffic to their website because they have this page. Now, I don't see you here on the home page, and honestly, if you are not on the first page of Google, it is almost impossible for people to find you. It's just going to have to be kind of dumb luck or somebody actually searching for your name from a referral. So you're missing out on a lot of traffic by not being in this map pack region. And that brings me to the last thing I wanted to talk about, which is backlinks. So this is your site here. I plugged it into a tool called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. And this just kind of gives you, it's about $100 a month. It's a useful tool. Just kind of shows you what backlinks you have, what sites are pointing to your site, what organic keywords you're being found for, and what traffic it's driving to your website. So your site is not generating any organic traffic. You are being found or pulled up in 14 organic keyword searches, but you might be buried on the 8th, 9th page, so no one can find you. So the way that you improve your site presence on the back end after you get your content and your citations is you're going to want to come in here and get some more backlinks and referring domains. So if we go and look at your competitor here, they have honestly not many. They only have one more backlink than you, and they have one less referring domain, but they do have some do follow links. That means that whatever link they're getting is passing power. So you don't have any links that are passing power, basically saying we trust this website, we're going to share our website power with All About Plumbing. So you can see how powerful this spot is though. They're being found for 140 organic keywords that people are searching for, and it's driving 193 people per month to their website. So that is a huge amount of traffic, and I guarantee you that would push more work to you than you could possibly handle. Might even grow your business to where you need to hire more guys. So if that's the direction that you want to go, or if you're ever struggling to find customers and you want more business, definitely SEO, search engine optimization, is going to be the way you want to go. So I hope I explained everything clearly. Just to recap, we talked about content. You're going to want to add more words to your homepage so you can work in some keywords. Second, we talked about citations, how important it is getting into this Google Map Pack section, being found here, and how much business that can drive to your website, and also getting you organically ranked. And to get organically ranked, you're going to need to come in here and get some more backlinks, and that's going to push way more people to your website. If you take that #1 spot from North Hills Plumbing, which honestly doesn't look like it's that hard to do, you're going to be getting over 100 clicks a month to your website. So that would be my recommendations to you. If you have any questions at all, or if you want to do this yourself and you don't know exactly how, or if I wasn't quite clear enough, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you, walk you through it. My number is 469-247-1707, or you can just reply to the email that I send this video in. I hope you have a great day, Todd, and let me know if I can help you in any way. Thank you.